Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2004 RAV4 and I would like to show you in this short video how looks car which is ready for California smog. Right? So there is the scanner here hooked to the OBD2 connector which is inside in the car. Car is idling and look at this. First of all, you immediately see green light instead of the yellow light, right? If it's yellow, it's incomplete. Now, what is incomplete? But if you look, all those oval places, right, in the detail on those, they say EVA and CAT and so on and so on. So not only it doesn't have any DTCs, which are the codes, right? But all these monitors, that I/M monitors, are not flashing. They are complete, so-called complete, and this vehicle is ready to pass the smog in California. So once again, the light is green. Hopefully the camera shows it. The one which is here, it will be yellow or the red. So this is how it looks when your Toyota is perfectly ready to pass. It's perfectly running, right, and it's in the great condition. And that was just a very short video to show you something interesting. Please be subscribed, because we have tons of videos about the Toyotas, only about the Toyotas, coming your way soon on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.